In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage deals in Freshsales. A deal in Freshsales represents an active sales opportunity you're working to close. Managing deals properly helps you stay organized by tracking the prospect, the current sales stage, expected revenue, planned activities, and the expected closing date. To get started, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're in, open the Deals section. This is where you can view your pipeline and monitor opportunities as they move through each stage of the sales process. Next, select any deal to open its detailed view. Inside the deal record, you'll see several tools that help you manage communication and next steps. One option is Commit Deal. This feature is useful when you want to indicate that a deal is strong enough to be included in your forecast with greater confidence. You'll also notice options like email and call. The email feature lets you contact the prospect directly from the deal record, while call helps you log or place sales calls so communication stays attached to the opportunity. Keeping all activity inside the deal makes it much easier to review progress later. Now click Task to create a follow-up action. In the title field, enter Follow Up with Client About Proposal. Then add the task description with the details your team needs to remember. After that, set the task type to Follow Up. This helps categorize the activity clearly and makes reporting more useful. Choose the due date, set the time, assign the owner of the deal or task, and then click Save. Once that task has been completed, click Mark Complete. This allows you to record the result of the activity. For this example, choose Interested as the outcome, then save it. Recording outcomes is important because it gives visibility into how the deal is progressing. Next, go to Meeting to schedule a meeting related to the deal. Enter the meeting title as Product Demo, then set the timeline for the meeting. Defining a start and end time helps with scheduling, avoids conflicts, and keeps everyone aligned on expectations. If the meeting will happen virtually, add video conferencing and choose either Zoom or Microsoft Teams. In the location field, enter Online, then add the meeting description and save. After the meeting is done, add the outcome for that meeting. For this example, set the outcome to Interested, type in your meeting notes, and save again. This keeps a clear history of what happened and what should happen next. You can also add a product to the deal if the opportunity involves specific items or services. This is useful for tying value and product details directly to the opportunity. Then click Sales Activities to review the related actions connected to that deal. When you're finished, go back to Deals and update the pipeline by clicking and dragging the deal into the appropriate stage as changes happen. Keep your stages accurate, always have a next action. Use realistic close dates, record important conversations, update deal amounts when needed. Use lost reasons, and review stalled deals regularly. That basic workflow is create, qualify, add activities, update stage, follow up, update amount and close date, close won or lost, and analyze. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.